Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Lanray if you are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, so as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, I will be showing you how I create this simple but elegant halo braided hairstyle. I think it's so cute and so simple to create. So if you want to see how I do this, please keep watching and let's get right into the video. So I'm starting off with stretched hair. So I blow dried my hair a few days ago and this is what it looks like. My hair is growing. Yes, I know, praise God. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to oil my scalp. So I'm going to use some almond oil in here and just lightly oil my scalp. So let's do that, just lightly. So now my scalp is oiled, and now I'm gonna grab a rat tail comb such as this and I'm gonna part the sections. So I usually go for a deep side part, but you can do a middle parting if you want. But let's part it like so. Deep side part, I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but this is it. And then for the middle, I just go straight down like this. The middle part does not have to be perfect because when you braid the hair, it sort of disappears. So this is what the two sections at the back look like. So now that I've parted both sections, I will clip the smaller section to the side and start working on the bigger section first. That's what I do. So let me grab my wide tooth comb and just comb this. So when I braid, I make sure I stay close to the perimeter of my head, and I make sure I gather all of the hairs each time I braid. So I'll show you now. So I just grab the hair like so and start braiding. Make sure you're close to the perimeter of your head. Like so. So this is what this braid looks like. I think it looks cute already. So let's do the next braid now. Comb this through to remove any tangles. this is what they look like. Okay, so now both sections are braided and I think they look super cute. But now I'm going to add a cute scrunchie to the whole look. I got these scrunchies from Amazon in different colors. I'll link them in the description box. But I'm gonna keep wearing these scrunchies until I get tired of them. Okay. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and let me know if you like the hairstyle and if you've tried it before and all that stuff. So thank you so much once again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.